लंदन में वैलेंटाइन डे भरपूर नमूने मनाया मीटालपुर इंडस न्यूज लंदन गुल विकामी रहा हैं वैलेंटाइन डे आज इतने खूबसूरत गुल विकामी रहा हैं
Wow, romantic. Teddy bear, yeah, this one, yeah.
वाह वाह गुल्लू तो जबरदस्त रखे ना It's okay, don't worry.
Hello,
What is your name?
Prema.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
From India. How goes your Valentine preparation?
Very good.
Okay, how you are celebrating?
I'm for celebrating with my friends. So we decorate all the room, hall, everywhere with flowers and balloons and do cake at night.
Anything for cooking?
Yes, cooking as well.
What are you cooking today?
I'm not cooking. My friend will cook for me.
Okay, that's
Yes,
fine.
that's fine.
Thank you.
Okay, thank
Thanks a
you.
lot. Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
What is your name?
It's Valentino, by the way.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so
It's very nice. Where are you from?
I'm from Romania.
Romania. How goes your Valentine preparation?
Well, it goes kind of. I've just been running around all day long, basically trying to find a perfect gift, but still, red roses are the best. So.
Are you celebrating today or not?
No, I'm celebrating tomorrow, obviously.
Yes, obviously tomorrow. It means after 12 o'clock. So you are celebrating.
Well, yeah, kind of. So.
Do you have Valentine?
Pardon?
Valentine.
Oh yeah, of course, man. Have a girlfriend.
Oh, very
for
nice.
years now in the making. So.
That's right.
Yeah,
Thank you.
cool.
Thanks
Thank
a
you very
lot.
much.
Thank you.
This is for Valentine's Day. We sell loads of blue roses here, and they're just quite expensive. But I just put normal price.
This is natural or just
It is natural,
Natural.
but they just deeply on the stems. They inject blue ink,
blue ink?
and then it just sucked, and then it come a blue.
How goes your business and selling these flowers?
Only Valentine's Day we are really busy, and then it's going well. Every year the Valentine's Day is the best.
It means you are feeling very glad and very
Yes,
happy
I am.
because of
I am.
selling.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. वाह वाह ये गुल जबरदस्त है महंगा है ना
Take a picture of my little.
That is less than aloe vera. Brian, did you want this as well?